Laundry room.
Is this dryer finished?
I think so. The light is off.
Thanks. I am still learning how this laundry room works.
Same here. I moved into the building last month.
Really? I moved in 2 weeks ago.
Then we are both new here.
Yes. I washed my clothes, but I am not sure which dryer setting to use.
What kind of clothes do you have?
Mostly t-shirts, socks, and one towel.
Then medium heat should be fine.
Not high heat?
High heat can make some clothes smaller.
Good to know. I do not want that.
Also, do not put too many clothes in at once.
I have one small basket, so it should be okay.
Yes, that looks fine.
How many coins does the dryer need?
2 coins for 30 minutes.
Is there a rule about leaving clothes here?
Yes, please do not leave them overnight.
That makes sense.
The room gets full on weekends.
I only have one coin.
There is a change machine near the door.
Oh, I did not see it.
It is next to the notice board.
Thanks. Do you know if the machine takes bills?
Yes, but only $1 bills.
I have a $5 bill.
The small shop downstairs can change it.
I will go there quickly.
No problem. I will keep an eye on your basket for a minute.
That's very kind. Thank you.
You're welcome. Laundry day can be confusing at first.
It really can.
Phone repair shop.
Hi, my phone screen is not working well.
Let me take a look. What happened to it?
I dropped it yesterday, but the glass did not break.
Does the screen turn on?
Yes, it turns on, but sometimes it does not respond.
I see. Can you unlock it for me?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. The screen is slow when I touch this side.
Yes, that is the problem.
It may need a new screen part.
Is that expensive?
For this model, it is about $80.
Okay, how long does the repair take?
Usually 1 hour if we have the part.
Do you have it today?
Let me check. Yes, we have one in stock.
That's good news. I need my phone for work.
I understand. Please back up your important photos when you can.
Will I lose my photos today?
We do not plan to erase anything, but backup is always safer.
Okay. I will remember that next time.
Do you want us to repair it now?
Yes, please.
I need your name and a phone number.
My name is Tom Miller. I can give my email because this phone is the problem.
That's fine. Please write your email here.
Done.
Thank you. Come back in about 1 hour.
Perfect. Can I pay after the repair?
Yes, you can pay when you pick it up.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Bookstore visit.
This bookstore is bigger than I expected.
Welcome. Are you looking for a special book today?
Yes, I want an easy English reading book.
We have a beginner English section near the window.
That sounds perfect. I am still learning.
No problem. Many learners start with short stories.
I like short stories. Long books are difficult for me.
Then this shelf may be good for you.
Are these books for A1 or A2 learners?
This row is mostly A1 and the next row is A2.
Great. Which one do you recommend?
This one has simple words and pictures.
Pictures help me understand the story.
It also has a word list at the end of each chapter.
That is very useful.
Do you want a book with audio too?
Yes, I like listening while I read.
Then choose this blue book. It has a QR code for audio.
Nice. How many pages does it have?
About 60 pages.
Do many students buy this book?
Yes, it is popular because the language is clear.
I like books that do not feel too hard.
Then this is a good match.
That is not too long.
There are 10 short chapters, so you can read 1 chapter a day.
Good idea. Do you also have notebooks?
Yes, notebooks are on the table near the cashier.
I will take one small notebook too.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all for today.
The total is $11.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Thank you. I am excited to start reading.
Enjoy your book.
Taxi ride to the airport.
Hello, are you the taxi for Tom Miller?
Yes, I am. Good morning. Are you going to the airport?
Yes, please. Terminal 4.
Great. Do you have any luggage?
I have one suitcase and one backpack.
No problem. I can open the trunk.
Thank you. The suitcase is not too heavy.
That's okay. Please get in when you're ready.
Thanks. I am a little worried about the time.
What time is your flight?
It leaves at 11:30.
It is 8:40 now. You should have enough time.
I hope so. Is the traffic bad today?
It is busy downtown, but the highway looks clear.
Please take the fastest way.
Of course. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Done.
Are you traveling for work or vacation?
For vacation, I am visiting my brother.
That sounds nice. How long will you stay?
5 days.
A short trip can still be relaxing.
Yes, I really need a break.
We will reach the airport in about 35 minutes.
That's good. How much will the ride cost?
Around $40 depending on traffic.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Great. Could you drop me near the international entrance?
Yes, Terminal 4 has a clear sign for international flights.
Do you know which door is best for check-in?
Door B is usually closest to the airline counters.
That helps a lot.
I will stop near Door B if traffic allows.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. I will let you know when we are close.
Thanks. I feel calmer now.
Good. We are on the highway now.
Hotel room key problem.
Excuse me, my room key is not working.
I'm sorry about that. What room are you in?
Room 501. I tried the key twice, but the door did not open.
Thank you for telling me. Did you keep the key near your phone?
Yes, it was in the same pocket as my phone.
That can sometimes make the key stop working.
Oh, I did not know that. I was worried the door was broken.
The door is probably fine. I can make a new key for you.
Thank you. Do you need my name?
Yes, please. May I have your full name?
Tom Miller.
Thank you. Let me check your reservation. You are staying for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right. I checked in this afternoon.
I see your room here. May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks correct. I will make a new key now.
Great. Will the old key still work?
No, I will turn it off for safety.
That sounds good.
Here is your new key. Please keep it away from your phone.
I will. Thank you for the tip.
No problem. Try this key first. If it still does not work, call the front desk.
Is there a phone near the elevator?
Yes, there is one on the wall next to the elevator.
Is there a small map for the floor?
Yes, there is one inside the elevator. Your room is near the ice machine.
Good. I got a little lost earlier.
That happens sometimes on the first night.
Perfect. I will go upstairs now.
I hope the key works this time.
Me too. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Birthday party invitation.
Emma, are you free this Saturday evening?
I think so. Why do you ask?
I am having a small birthday party at my apartment.
That sounds nice. Is it your birthday?
Yes, but it will be simple. Just cake, snacks, and music.
Happy early birthday, Tom.
Thank you. I wanted to invite you.
That's very kind. What time does it start?
Around 7 o'clock.
7 works for me. Should I bring anything?
You do not have to, but maybe a small drink or chips would be helpful.
Sure, I can bring orange juice and some chips.
That would be great.
How many people are coming?
Only 6 or 7 people. I do not want a big party.
A small party is usually more comfortable.
I agree. We can talk and play simple games.
Will there be music?
Yes, but not too loud. I do not want to bother the neighbors.
Good idea. Do you need help setting up?
Maybe. I need to move the table and put out plates.
I can come a little early if you want.
Really? That would help a lot.
No problem. I can come at 6:30.
Perfect. I will send you the address.
I already know your building, but send the apartment number.
Sure, it is apartment 205.
Great. I will be there.
Thanks, Emma. I think it will be a fun evening.
I'm looking forward to it.
School exam day.
Emma, the classroom looks so quiet today.
I know. Everyone is thinking about the exam.
I feel a little nervous.
Me too, but we studied a lot yesterday.
That's true. We reviewed the important chapters.
Do you have your pencils?
Yes, I have 2 pencils and an eraser.
Good. I brought an extra pen just in case.
Nice. Did you bring your student card?
Yes, it is in my bag. Do we need it?
The teacher said we might need it at the door.
Then I will keep it ready.
What time does the exam start?
In 10 minutes. We still have a little time.
Can we quickly review the last topic?
Sure. The last topic is simple past tense.
Right. For regular verbs, we add ed.
Yes. For example, walk becomes walked.
And visit becomes visited,
Correct. But some verbs are irregular.
like go becomes went.
Exactly. And eat becomes ate.
I always forget that one.
Just take your time. Read each question slowly.
Do you think the writing question will be difficult?
Maybe, but we can write short, clear sentences.
Short sentences are safer for me.
Yes, simple answers can still be correct.
Good advice. Sometimes I answer too fast.
Same here. Today, I will check my answers before I finish.
I will do that too.
The teacher is coming.
Okay, deep breath.
We can do this.
Thanks, Emma. I feel better now.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Good luck to you too.
Fresh market vegetables.
These vegetables look very fresh.
Thank you. They arrived early this morning.
I need vegetables for dinner tonight.
What are you planning to cook?
A simple soup and maybe a salad.
Then carrots, potatoes, onions, and tomatoes would be good.
That sounds perfect. Are these tomatoes sweet?
Yes, they are sweet and soft, but not too soft.
Great. I will take 4 tomatoes.
Sure. Do you want small ones or large ones?
Large ones, please.
Okay. Anything else for the soup?
I need 4 carrots and 4 potatoes.
Here you go. These potatoes are good for soup.
They look nice. How much are the onions?
They are $3 for a bag.
I only need 1 or 2 onions.
Then you can buy them by piece.
Good. I will take 2 onions.
Would you like some lettuce for the salad?
Yes, 1 small lettuce, please.
This one is fresh and easy to wash.
Thank you. Do you have cucumbers?
Yes, they are right here.
I will take 1 cucumber too.
Anything else today?
Do you sell herbs too?
Yes, we have parsley and mint.
I will take a small bunch of parsley.
Good choice. It makes soup smell fresh.
That is all, thank you.
Great. Let me weigh everything.
Sure. I brought my own bag.
That's helpful. The total is $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here are your vegetables.
Thanks. Dinner will be easy now.
Enjoy your meal.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, could you help me for a moment?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I am trying to find the city museum.
The museum is not far from here.
That's good to hear. I think I walked the wrong way.
No problem. This street can be confusing.
My phone map is slow and I do not know where to turn.
You are on River Street now. Walk straight to the traffic lights.
Okay, straight to the lights.
Then turn right at the bakery.
Is the bakery on the corner?
Yes, it has a blue sign and a small outdoor table.
Great. After I turn left, what should I do?
Walk for about 5 to 10 minutes. You will see a park on your left.
A park on my left. Got it.
The museum is across from the park.
Is it a big building?
Yes. It has tall glass doors and a wide front step.
That sounds easy to find.
There is also a large sign that says City Museum.
Perfect. Do I need to cross a busy road?
Only one road, but there is a safe crossing.
Thank you for explaining slowly.
You're welcome. Are you visiting the museum today?
Is it safe to walk there alone?
Yes, this area is usually busy and safe during the day.
Great. I like walking in new cities.
Then you will enjoy that street.
Yes, I want to see the history room.
Then go before 4 o'clock. It closes early today.
Really? Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. Enjoy the museum.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
Gym trial day.
Hi, I saw a sign outside about a free trial day.
Yes, we offer one free trial day for new visitors.
Great. I want to try the gym before I join.
Of course. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Welcome. I can explain how the trial works.
Thank you. I am not sure where to start.
First, you fill out this short form. Then you can use the main workout area.
Do I need an ID?
Yes, please. We need one ID at the front desk.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you want to try machines, weights, or a simple class?
Maybe machines. I am still a beginner.
That's a good choice. The machines are easy to use.
Is there someone who can show me the basics?
Yes. I can show you 3 simple machines after you sign in.
That would be very helpful.
Do you have sports shoes with you?
Yes, I brought them in my bag.
Good. The changing room is on the left.
Are lockers free?
Yes, but please bring your own small lock next time.
I only have a backpack today.
You can keep it behind the front desk during your trial.
Do I need to book a time for the machines?
No, for the trial you can use any free machine.
That's easy.
Yes, but please wipe the machine after you use it.
Thank you. How long can I stay?
You can stay for 2 hours today.
That is enough for me.
Please start slowly and drink water.
I will. I do not want to get too tired.
Good idea. When you finish, I can explain our monthly plans.
Perfect. Let me try the gym first.
Sure, please come this way.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.